Hi there, in this video I want to show you how you can install and use WordPress locally on your computer without having to purchase web hosting. And this is using WordPress locally is very beneficial when you are learning WordPress or you are doing WordPress development, and this is actually very cool. You can use a couple of tools like XAMPP or MAMP or WAMP, which is actually AMPs for your local development or local installation. But I'll show you the easiest way to use WordPress locally. I prefer and I always use a tool named Local by FlyWheel. This is an awesome tool for local WordPress development and using WordPress locally. It has pro version, but the free version is more than enough for you to use WordPress in your local host. So just click on download for free, go to localwp.com and click on download for free, and you will be asked to give your name and email, and then your download will start automatically. I just downloaded these tools here, so I'm going to run it now. So go next and install. This is as simple as just go next and install. So it will take a couple of moments installing the software. It's almost 500 megabyte file, so it's quite heavier, but it works awesome and very smooth. So run local, and I'm going to finish the installation. So check out link checker. No, I don't need the other features. So here's the site I have already created with local site. So this site I have created previously, so it's appearing here. For your case, this will be blank and you will see a plus icon here to add a new site. So I'm going to click on the plus, and here in this field you need to give a name to your website, like my blog or anything you want. Okay, the advanced option will help you choose different configurations, but I will keep it as it is, and I will click continue. And you can choose a custom installation, but I will use just the preferred. So now give a username for your WordPress installation. You can give admin or anything you want, as I am using it locally, so I am not worried about the username and password, so I'll give the password as admin also. And this is the email. I will leave as it as it is by default, whatever is there. So I'm going to click on add site, and the site will be created in background for me, and you just need to wait for a couple of seconds and the site will be live in your local host. And you don't need to configure other settings, you don't need to configure anything at all. So I'm going to click just yes. These tools XAMPP, MAMP and AMPs are quite tedious to configure, but Local by FlyWheel is very easy and very smooth for installing WordPress locally. So it will take a couple of moments and installing WordPress. So I'm going to pause the video for a second and I'll continue again. And here it is, it installed. It took almost 40 to 45 seconds, and your WordPress site with the title My Blog is installed in your local site. You just need to click on the view site to view your site. Here it is installed. So you need to click on the admin section to log into your WordPress dashboard. So keep the username and password you used a couple of seconds ago for your installation. It was admin, the username was admin, and the password was also admin for me. I'm going to remember me so that it direct me to dashboard directly. And here it is, your site is installed. Okay, so this is very simple and very convenient for installing WordPress locally. I recommend you guys using FlyWheel, and this is an awesome tool. You do not need the pro version. The free version is more than enough for you to play with WordPress in your local environment. And just go ahead, download and install it locally. Now you can do your customization or whatever you want with your local installation. And taking the local site to live is also very easy with FlyWheel if you are using WP Engine or FlyWheel hosting. We'll talk about it later in any other video. Today's video is basically how you can install FlyWheel for your local WordPress development or using WordPress locally. So thanks, and give a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe me as well. I will keep creating a simple and easy video for you guys. Thanks for watching this video.